There are a number of paints on the market that give an unusual and very attractive faux finish to an accent wall or to moulding. Metallic paint has a metallic luster finish that changes with the angle of view. It's for interior use only and adds depth and dimension to walls, picture frames, mouldings and trim. It's easy to use and being water-based is easy to clean up. Wipe off the wall with a damp cloth to remove any loose dust and dirt. Metallic paint contains thousands of tiny particles that give the paint its metallic look. These can sink to the bottom of the can, so stir the paint in the tin with a wooden paddle for 5 minutes before painting. You'll only need a small amount of paint in the edging bucket. If you happen to drop it while on top of a ladder, you won't have a lot of paint on the floor. We're going to apply a copper-colored metallic paint to an accent wall. The standard application is to apply 2 coats. We're brushing on the first coat, applying the paint to a small area of the wall and then using horizontal and vertical strokes in a crisscross manner over the wet paint to create a rich and exotic look. You can use a brush for both coats, or you can roll on the first coat and brush on the second. For a smooth finish, use a roller to apply both coats. Vertical and horizontal strokes reflect light differently and will produce different shades. Any rough patches on the wall will add to the final effect. Plascon Metallic is a versatile paint that allows the user to have fun with it. The user is encouraged to express their individual style by trying different techniques to achieve glamorous finishes. Allow the first coat to dry for at least 4 hours before applying the second coat. Once again, we're applying the second coat with a 100mm brush to give a streaked metallic finish. Keep the brush wet and work in a horizontal motion or in a vertical motion, or use a crisscross application to achieve the result that you desire. Have fun and go with your creative feeling. Once the wall has been completed, the top coat should be allowed to dry for a further 6 hours. For extra protection and to enhance the effect, a Plascon glaze coat can be applied to the wall once the metallic paint has dried. Plascon's metallic paints are water-based, so cleanup is easy and drying time is fast. The finishes that they can provide are a lot of fun to use in designs and are becoming very popular. They're great to use on trim, on accent walls, or wherever you'd like a little adventure in your design.